Welcome home, boy. It's been a long time since I've seen you in these parts. Too long, in fact. Somehow we've lost our way. We've lost communication. Are we trying to claw each other? Are we trying to tear each other to pieces? This is a big family together. Why are we trying to tear each other apart? Hey, keep your claws to yourself. Keep your hands to yourself. Don't pinch me. Oh. Well, then give me a big kiss. You look more like a beluga than a punch. I've always liked aquatic life. Since I was a child, I've always been around seafood. I grew up in Seattle. So, yeah, I've always been around seafood. The ocean, the sea, lakes, streams, rivers. Used to always fish. I used to go down with my tackle box on my BMX bicycle. I used to drive down from my area that I grew up at, and I drove down to the canal and to the waterfront to fish off the pier. I'd catch steelhead and trout, perch, bottom fish. Are they trying to remove the hook from my mouth?